Now, going forward, you want to scale your channel. Now, views, subscribers are all important, but more important and crucial is retention of these viewers. Now, you must understand that for you to get your channel monetized, you must achieve the YouTube requirement or thresholds of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within 365 days. That's 1 year. Now, achieving the 1,000 subscribers might be a little bit easy if you keep pushing out content, but achieving the 4,000 watch hours is a serious task, and this is where most YouTubers quit along the line. So you don't want to quit. Now, to achieve these 4,000 watch hours, you want to start doing little things that matter. You want to start doing things differently. And one of the things you can start doing is to start improving your overall video quality, to keep making them attractive to viewers and retaining these viewers and making them watch these videos to the end. So how are you going to achieve this? If you stay with me on this video to the end, I'll be showing you steps on how you can start editing your videos, change the backgrounds, and beautify the backgrounds to make these videos attractive, valuable, and retain your viewers. And as you keep doing this, you gradually build or accumulate more watch hours and subscribers, and along the line, you get your channel monetized no sooner than later. Now, if you're coming to this channel for the first time, this is Niger TV. Niger TV is an education, information, and empowerment platform. In this channel, we continue to educate, inform, and empower our viewers with knowledge. Now, if this resonates with your ideals, please smash the subscribe button. Please give this video a thumbs up so the algorithm can keep recommending this video to others. If you have any comments or insights about this video, please leave them at the comment section. I'll be glad to interact with you at the comment section. Yeah, so having said that, let's jump into this tutorial. I'll see you right there.
All right, the first step would be to get the image we want to use for the video background. So I already have an image in my phone. So I'll hover to Canva. I'll go to Canva. Canva is an application used for designing backgrounds. All right, so I'll just here on Canva, I'll just go to YouTube thumbnail, and I can use, these are sample thumbnails. I'll just select one and delete everything because I'm not using them. I just want to use the size to edit the image for the video background. So right now I'll go to upload, and I'm going to upload the image I want to use. So this is the image I want to use, is already on my phone, so I'll click select it. And how do you get images? You can get images from pixel.com. I'm just expanding it to cover up the space. You can get images from pixel.com, Pixabay, and you can even get from Google. All right, so now there's the image. I want to blur it. So I'll select the image, I'll select it, then I'll go to effects, and I'm going to choose blur. I'll click on whole image. I want to blur the whole image, and then I'll increase the intensity here. You can see that. Let me reduce it a bit. Now I'm okay with this. I blurred it, so I can now close here, I'm okay with this now. So I can now download this image by clicking here. Image is saving into my phone. All right. I'll say save image. And it has finished saving inside my phone, inside my gallery. Now I have blurred the image I want to use for the background. I will now go to the main application I want to use, which is CapCut. CapCut. When CapCut opens, I'll click on New Project, and I'll click on Photos to select that background I just blurred. This is it. I'll click on it, and I'll click on Add. Okay, we are now in Canva, in CapCut, sorry. And now I've done this, I will now bring in the image, or sorry, the video footage I want to use for this video I'm trying to edit. So I'll click on overlay, add overlay, and I'll look for the video. I'll click on video, and this is the video I want to use for the purpose of this
Hi,
tutorial.
welcome back.
And
I
I'll click
believe
on add. Now the image has been added. Now before I do that, let me undo. On this background, let me add little designs or effects. So I'm going to select the background on the slide here. I'll go to effects. I'll go to body effects. Body effects. Let me look for an effect I can add to the background. Now I like this effect. It's called geometric lasers. I'm using the CapCut application. For you to get the CapCut Pro version for your phone or laptop, or that's PC, just check at the comments or at the description of this video. You're going to see the link for the CapCut Pro version, how to access the CapCut Pro version for free. All right, now I've added little beauty to this background. If you go back to body effects and go back to the feature to the effect that we can also adjust it by clicking here to adjust either the speed, to reduce the speed, or to reduce the vertical. Just move it as you like. I want to move it up a bit. The size, I want to reduce the size a bit or increase it a bit. The color, I want to reduce the color a bit or increase it a bit. Now I'm okay like that. So I'll now click this good here to say okay. Now you can see that I've added some beautification on the background. Now the next thing, now you can scroll here and delete this place. You don't need here. I'll just click on it and delete. Okay, so yeah, that's the background. We've gotten a background. The next thing is to bring in the footage, the video footage, the real video of the real video we are using for this project. So I'll click on add overlay. I'll click on video, and this is the video I want to use. I'll select it and I'll click on add. Now the video has been added. I'll click on the video here in the slide and bring it down a bit, drag it with my fingers and bring it down. Now I've brought on the image, the video footage. I'll need to, you can see that the background is not up to the length of the video. So I'll click on the background image here and extend it up to the length of the video footage. Please follow me. If you don't understand any step, just comment. You can replay the video or just ask your question at the comment section. I'll be at the comment section to interact with you. All right, now I've done that. Now the next thing I want to do is to lighten up this video footage a bit. So I'll select the video here in the slide and I'll go to adjust here. I can say auto adjust. I can say brightness, increase the brightness a bit. I can go to contrast, increase the contrast a bit. I can go to saturation, increase saturation a bit. Can go to brilliance, increase brilliance a bit. Can go to sharpen it a bit. All right, you can go to clarity, clear it a bit. So you can see that this image has been brightened a bit to add it more beauty. Now I have done this. The next thing we want to do is to remove the image background, the video background. I'll click on the video footage here on the slide, and I'll go to remove BG. You can see that remove BG, remove background. Click on it. I click on auto removal, and the removal process has started. You can see applying one feature, it's applying, it's removing the background gradually. So you just have to wait. You must wait until it completes that process. Do not continue until the process has been completed. You can see it is still going. So you must be patient. So it's almost complete. It says background removed. So it's completed. You can now click this good here to OK it. Now the background has been removed. Let's play it and see what's up.
Hi, welcome back. I believe you've got something from this video. If you missed out any point, just replay the video. If you've got any questions or comments about this video, leave them at the comment section. I'll be there to interact with you. Also, check out at the comment section for a video on how you can access CapCut Pro application on your laptop or on your mobile phone, all for free. Now, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please smash the subscribe button and please give this video a thumbs up so that the algorithm can keep recommending this video to others. And having said that, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.
Yeah, so that's the video. You can add an auto caption as well to the video footage. Just come here, go back here, and come to auto caption. Click on captions and select any of the caption here. Let me choose something like this. Let me choose this one, and I'll click on generate. So generating captions. You just have to be creative to make sure your video is attractive to gather views. So if I play it now, let's see.
Hi, welcome back. I believe you've got something from this video. If you missed out any point, just replay the video. If you've got any questions or comments about this video, leave them at the comment section. I'll be there to interact with you. Also, check out at the comment section for a video on how you can access CapCut Pro application on your laptop or on your mobile phone, all for free. Now, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please smash the subscribe button and please give this video a thumbs up so that the algorithm can keep recommending this video to others. And having said that, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.
All right, so you can edit these captions as well by double clicking on them.
Thank you for watching.
So
I will see you in the next
change
one. Bye
it.
for
All right, so that's it, guys. So haven't done this. The next thing now is to click on exports. You can choose other settings you may want to give to it, but for now I just want to save it to make this video short. So I'll click on export here to export this video. So you have to wait for it to finish exporting. So this is how you can remove your video backgrounds and beautify your videos. So it is completed now. Click on done. Now let's go and play this video from my gallery, fully edited. Now I'll click on photos, see it here in my gallery. Let's play it.
Hi, welcome back. I believe you've got something from this video. If you missed out any point, just replay the video. If you've got any questions or comments about this video, leave them at the comment section. I'll be there to interact with you. Also, check out at the comment section for a video on how you can access CapCut Pro application on your laptop or on your mobile phone, all for free. Now, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please smash the subscribe button and please give this video a thumbs up so that the algorithm can keep recommending this video to others. And having said that, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now. Hi, welcome back. I believe you've got something from this video. If you missed out any point, just replay the video. If you've got any questions or comments about this video, leave them at the comment section. I'll be there to interact with you. Also, check out at the comment section for a video on how you can access CapCut Pro application on your laptop or on your mobile phone, all for free. Now, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please smash the subscribe button and please give this video a thumbs up so that the algorithm can keep recommending this video to others. And having said that, thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.